Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So in this class we are going to discuss about anonymous functions. See, in Python, a anonymous function is a function that is defined without a name. So that means anonymous functions don't have any name. So anonymous functions are defined using the lambda keyword. So lambda functions can have any number of arguments but only one expression. Any number of arguments but only one expression. The expression is evaluated and returned. Now we can see the lambda function with example. So this is the function lambda. So what is a lambda function? So lambda functions can have any number of arguments. So this we are called as a arguments. So this is the expression. So already we discussed the square function in our previous classes. So how we can define the square function? So def, the function name is square, and I am taking one argument. I can write return n power 2. I call sqr of 5 like this. Here I am writing the same function with the help of lambda function. So what is a lambda function? It's an anonymous function. And what is the definition of lambda function? So lambda functions can have any number of arguments but only one expression. So print square of 5. So that means the function is called square of 5. So now x equals to 5 and it evaluates the 5 power 2. 5 power 2 that equals to 25, return to square. Now we are going to print the value 25. What's the output? 25. In the similar way, so big. So print big of 5 comma 6. So big of 5 comma 6 means for this big you are defining one lambda function. The arguments are 2, 5, 6. If x greater than y, x, else y, that means the 6 is assigned to big. It prints 6 as a output. So now we are going to see the different functions. We can use the lambda function in these functions. The first one is filter function. The filter function will take sequence as parameter and it will filter some values. So for example, this is the list. L equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I am going to store all the even numbers in one list, odd numbers in another list. For this I am writing one lambda function. So lambda x percentage 2 equals to 0. So now, this is the input L and I am performing this function on this L. So that means I filter this list. So based on one condition, x percentage 2 equals to 0 means the 2, 4, 6, 8. These are stored in EL. Next, filter lambda of x percentage 2 not equals to 0. That means all the odd numbers, that means 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are stored in OL. So that means odd list and even list. Now I am going to print list of EL. That means it prints 2, 4, 6, 8. So coming to odd list, it prints 3, 5, 7, 9. I hope you understand the filter function. So what is a filter function? Filter function will take sequence as a parameter and it will filter some values. So based on some condition. Here I am using lambda function. So map function. So what is a map function means? It will take an expression in the form of a function and a sequence to perform an operation over all the elements of the sequence as a input. That means, so this is the map function here. So this is the sequence. What is the sequence? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the sequence. Now I am going to apply one function on each element in the list. So that is the definition. It will take an expression in the form of a function. So this is the expression. You are taking one form. And sequence to perform an operation. Overall, the elements of the sequence. Now I am going to perform this expression on these all the elements in the list L. Okay. So by using this lambda function, so map lambda x colon x power 2. This is the function. Now I can apply this function on each element of this list. So that means what it returns? It returns 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. So this is the output.
So now we are going to see the execution of the program. So this is the anonymous function. So what is the anonymous function? Already we discussed. By using the lambda we can create the anonymous functions in Python. So this is the square of 5, means it is 25. And next I am giving the big 5, 6. So 6 is the output. So filter function is used to filter a sequence. Here I am taking one list L, so even list and odd list. In this also I am using the lambda function. So output is 24683579. So next, map function. So apply a function on iterable. So that apply a function on list L. So this is the function. So square, I apply all the elements in L. So elements in L 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The output is 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81.